If you're not fussed about shooting subjects from afar, the Oppo Find X5 Pro has the chops to challenge for the coveted spot in your pocket. From its punchy 6.7 inches screen to its powerful internal hardware, it is a whole lot to justify the big number on its ticket. Top-spec Snapdragon silicon delivers power in spades, matched by stupidly quick 80W wired charging speeds. And while it might be a fingerprint magnet, the way the ceramic shell curves seamlessly around the camera housing is a work of art. In all ways but one, camera performance is similarly brilliant. The main and ultra-wide snappers capture bright, detailed and balanced results, whether you're shooting in daylight or after dark. A Silicon X neural processing chip also enhances things with the aid of machine learning. Only one spec holds it back from perfection, the meager 2x optical zoom offered by the telephoto. But if that's not a deal breaker, this is a 5-star smartphone.